Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Canon PIXMA MG3022 software onto your Windows computer without the need for any external media. So this should be a fairly quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but you want to navigate over to Google. And into Google, you want to type in Canon PIXMA MG3022 driver download, and you want to search that up. I know I misspelled download, but you should still get the same results. So you want to select support from the MG series, and the domain should have canon.com in it. So you want to make sure you're downloading it directly from Canon. Now underneath drivers and downloads on the side here, you want to left click on that where it says MG3000 series full driver and software package. You want to select that and then select the download button. It should begin the process of downloading. It's about 16 megabytes, so it shouldn't be too big. Once it's done, just left click on it one time. It's going to ask you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Select yes. You want to select the Start Setup button, should be the first option. And then you just want to follow along again with the instructions, selecting Next. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all there is to it. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.